I have an awesome sport coupe for you. It is a 2016 BMW 228i Coupe, and it's finished in an actual upgraded deep sea blue metallic. When I say upgraded, all I simply mean is that that was an option that actually cost extra to have on this year vehicle. On the interior, we have an oyster and black finish, and we have the sport seats as well in the multi-contouring seats. And you can see we have a sport steering wheel with the red stitching and multi-function. And the moonroof is actually an upgrade as well in this vehicle. And you can see there the sticker, and here is your nice BMW sills for whenever you get in and out of the car. Lovely lines, very sporty, but also sleek. And we have our 18-inch wheels. They are your double spoke wheels, and those are actually run flat tires on this car as well. You have the nice daytime running lights, and under the hood here, let me get this opened up for you guys. Just lift. All right, we have a 2-liter, and it is a twin power turbo inline 4-cylinder, and this is going to produce about 240 horsepower and about 255 foot-pounds of torque. So plenty of power, and you know, to be a sport coupe, it's definitely going to get you where you need to be. And once again, you have your run flats, your 18-inch twin spoke wheels, and your moonroof, which I'll show you guys the window sticker. This is a family owned vehicle, so it is owned by one family, so basically one family locally here owned this vehicle. And you can see it's been very gently used, barely used at all. The best thing that I have not really mentioned is that it has 9,000 miles on it. So like I said, not only has it been gently used, it's owned by a woman, but it only has 9,000 miles, so extremely low mileage. You have your twin, dual exhaust in the back there, and we have the books. We have 2 keys and the window sticker, which is what I'm holding in my hand right now. And this is where you're able to see all of the options, and I believe there's about $6,000 in options in this car. In fact, those 18-inch wheels is going to be one of your options, along with your moonroof, as I had mentioned as well, and your I believe your power front seats. So just a great car, gently used, and one that would be great and safe. There is actually the driver assist package in this vehicle as well. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how it runs. All right, so we have our keyless go, and you can see we have 9,429 miles on the odometer, and there's your backup camera. I'm going to just see, we can actually brighten this up for you. I can see that was a little dark, so there we go. This is where you're gonna do all of your changing throughout the command center. Actually, you can't tell, but it's right down here. If you can get that, right here is where you're going to change through the command center. Anyhow, whenever I said we do have the driver assist package, that is going to include the rear view camera that I just showed you, along with your parking distance control, which is basically your parking sensors. So that is a nice feature to have. You can see that no service is required, and that everything is maintained and checked out properly. Not only are these cars serviced and maintained by us here at Autohaus, but this car specifically tells you that it is the case. And here you can see just how much of the torque and power in which you're utilizing or not utilizing in this case. Just
full factory warranty.
Yeah, of course. We have our full factory warranty. You do have your little sport driving option, your
Like the
sport mode.
brushed aluminum
The
look.
brushed aluminum is awesome. You do have your dual air conditioning as well. And you know, one thing that I wanted to point out, and I know I had said it just looks like it was gently used. It almost is amazing to think that this car is a used car. It's so clean and so immaculate on the interior that it looks as though it's a brand new car. And it still smells like one too, which also means it was a non-smoking vehicle, but I think that goes without saying. So I'm going to show you guys how awesome it is. You know, I really do like the
lights on or turn the dimmer up more.
I like the color combination of the interior.
Can you turn the lights
So
off?
just turn them off completely. Yeah.
Okay, now I see.
So okay. Now I see what you're talking about. Anyhow, I like the color combination. I love the color seats, the oyster color. I love the brushed aluminum throughout here. I love the dark colored flooring. I always speak about how that is nice to have, should it be a rainy, or you know, if it's a rainy day, or even if you're just in a location where you have to park off the road. So are you waiting on me?
I'm waiting on you.
He's being so impatient today, but I don't really know what's
245 horsepower. That's what I want to say. Squeeze it out of the car.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Are we really ready? I just don't want the deer to run out in front of me because this is the time of night in which they're out partying.
They already ate.
Yeah, I like this feature
it's kind
here.
of cool, huh?
Yeah, I think it is.
Pedal shifters, you know. It's a
And
nice
of course, I'm
car.
in my default sport mode, guys. We all know Marianne's
The
default
owner's
mode.
manual here.
Yeah, the owner's manual. Not only do we have it via book, for those who like to shift through pages and they don't worry about paper cuts. If that's the case, we have the book for you. Otherwise, you have the owner's manual option here on this command center, and your Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is definitely a convenience option in these vehicles. So 239-263-8500 is our phone number. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com. House is H-A-U-S. It's my favorite angle. Thank you. And
Only the best for you, Marianne.
I love you guys. I appreciate all the subscribers. What was that? Subscribers. And all of your kind, encouraging comments. Thank you, guys. Share the video, like it, and I will see you guys on the next one. And don't forget that I'm also on social media. So I will see you guys in the next one.